Okay, I'll show you guys the graph of these three functions. Let's look at the first one. T squared, this right here, it needs no introduction, right? You know this is just going to be a parabola, looks like this. And of course, we're just making a sketch. So don't give me a hard time. That's the graph for the parabola. Anyway, next one, we have t minus 4 and then square, and then we multiply by the unit step function, u of t minus 4. And check this out. These inputs right here, they match, right? Okay, this is how you can do it. Ignore the u of t minus 4 first. If you look at t minus 4 and square, you know the graph for that is just you take this, move to the right 4 times, right? And let's do that first, right? So let me put that down right here for you guys. Let me say this right here is my 4, and then I'll just do the parabola like that, right? So the one in black is just the regular t minus 4 and u squared, okay? Here's the deal. When you want to multiply a graph by u of t minus 4, you go to 4. Anything before 4, it becomes 0. So the red one, it's going to be the graph for this, okay? Anything before 4 will be 0. So you have a horizontal line, a 0 right here. And you technically have to open a circle right here because when you have the unit step function, it's not defined at exactly 4. So you should put an open circle like this. So anything before 4 is 0, and anything after 4 is just whatever the function is. So you just keep this parabola part right here. You keep this red part. So it's like a horizontal line and then a curve like that. And I will label this as t minus 4 squared and then times u of t minus 4. This right here will be the graph for that. Last one, we have t squared times u of t minus 4. Same thing. Let's go ahead and graph this first, which is just the regular t squared is regularly right here, right? So you have parabola like this. And you have to look at the number 4. Let's say the 4 is right here. And you know when t is 4, the y value is 16. So if you would like, just indicate I have a 16 there. Anyway, when you have this, by the way, this is the traditional t squared. Right here at 4, anything before 4 will be 0. So let's go ahead and draw the horizontal line right here up to 4 and then just put an open circle. Anything after 4, you go ahead and just match the original t squared. So I will put down an open circle here and then continue like this. Okay, so put arrow to make it pretty. This is it. The red part is going to be t squared times u of t minus 4. So as you can see, the graph of these three, they all look different. This and that, they kind of look the same, right? Because this portion and that portion match. And check out the next video. I'll tell you guys how to do the Laplace transform of this, and that.